Hello my dear students of class 7. This is the another video of chapter 9 maths. So before this video I have already explained about the what is the edges, vertices, faces in any three-dimensional figure, and also the definitions of three-dimensional and two-dimensional figure. So now I think you can understand that the what is vertices, edges and faces. That means V represents vertices, that is the corner of any polygon, and E is the edges, F is the faces. Then in this video, suppose if a this is a cuboid, you can see here a cuboid. It has how many faces? That means it has 6 faces, that means topmost, bottom and then sideways 4. Okay, 4 plus 2 is 6, and then it has a total 8 corners, that means 8 vertices and 12 edges. So now let's study a relationship among vertices, edges and faces in 3D objects, and we are using here the formula of Euler's. So Euler's formula it is known. Now let's say the Euler's, according to Euler's formula, V minus E plus F is equal to 2. Now you can see here, now we have seen in the cuboid, here V is equal to 8, that means vertices is equal to 8, E is equal to 12, so minus 12, and faces F is equal to 6, so here we write 6. So if we calculate it, then we get 6 plus 8 is equal to 14, minus 12 is equal to 2. So you can see here that V minus E plus F is equal to 2. That means LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, it is verified. Okay. So this formula is known as Euler's formula. This formula is true for all the solid figures which are covered by plane faces, and this type of figure is called polyhedron. The word polyhedron comes from the Greek word polyu, means many. Poly means many and hedra means base or seat. Okay. A polyhedron is thus a figure of many bases, and Euler's formula is verified for this polyhedron figures. And cylinder and cone are not a polyhedra because all their faces are not plane. You can you know that this type of figure is known as cone, and this type of figure is called cylinder. Here plane faces are here only one and here 2. Not all the faces are plane figures. That's why it is not a polyhedra, and Euler's formula not satisfied by this type of figures. Of course, you can verify in cone Euler's formula, but it is not true. It is exceptional case. Now nets. What is nets? So solid shapes and their nets. To know about the net, let us do one activity of converting a solid figure, two-dimensional figure. This can be done by cutting few edges such that all faces of a solid figure are interlinked to form one flat figure. Let us take a matchbox. Here you can see, if we open the matchbox, you can see this type of image, that is a flat images, flat figure is converted. So what is actually net? So definition of the net is a polygon region which can be folded up to form a polyhedron, usually called a net of a polyhedron. Polygon regions means, here you can see the polygon regions. That means here it is a rectangle, another rectangle, then these 4 rectangles are there, and all the rectangles when folded, then it makes a polyhedron, that is a cuboid. You can see here I have prepared a net of square. This is square. When we cut it, it complete into a box shape, that is of cube. You can see here the nets of the square. It is the square and this is the cuboid. When we fold it, it becomes a cube in this way. So this is a plane figure, that means net, and again we fold it to complete this. This is a cubical form, that means in the market very many products are sold in this type of, in such type of cuboid shape boxes. So this is the cuboid. So here it is utilizes the shopkeepers or the distributors utilizes this type of nets to make such type of boxes, or you can say it dabba. So this is the net of a cuboid, and this is the net of a square, and in this way you can prepare the net of, it is a net of cone. Okay, so for this video, thank you, and you have to do exercise 9.2 and 9.3. So this is the 9.2 you have to do in if it is possible in book, then you can do in your book only, and exercise 9.3 you will skip it. Thank you for this video.